Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit individual product page on Wix website. So let's get started. So right now I am on the Wix sites. So you can just decide that you want to edit the products. So in here I have 5 sites. I just need to click on this one right here. Since this site is a store that I can store my products right here and I can actually make sure to make a stay off of this. So as you can see right here, this is loading. So what we can do is on the left side, you can see store products right here. So click on that and then it will open an expandable menu. So make sure that you're of the products right here. So in here, you can see all the products that you have. So you can see the price, the type, everything. So just choose the product that you want to edit. So for me, I'll edit this comfort plus dress shoes. So we'll just click on this one. And then this will open the product page. So in this way, I can actually edit this. So we can actually make sure to remove the image. So you can remove the image right here. And then you can add another image that you want to show at that specific product. So let's click on add image right here. And then in here, then search for the image that is fitting. So let's search in here for shoes. And then this will search the media. So we can just choose which one is actually for you. So for me, I want to choose this one. And click on add to page. Then as you can see, it will be the main image for that specific product. Then in here, you can see 2 checkbox, which is show in online store and show in point of sale. So make sure that this 2 right here has been turned on. So in here, you can see the categories. You can choose which one you want to add this categories into. So since it is a comfort dress shoes, it is added to the comfort collection and then the shoes collection. So I can make sure to actually change this one if which one is actually for you. So in here, you can see the product info. So you can change the name right here. So for example, you want to remove the plus right here and remove that. And also put in a ribbon right here, which is a new arrival, in stock, or best choice right here. And then in here, you can see the description. So you can actually edit this description right here. You can remove sentence, you can add a sentence or anything like that. You can actually make sure to put things in bold or in italic or anything like that. So you can do that right here. And then on marketing and SEO, you can create a coupon, you can promote this product or edit SEO settings. Advanced tax, you can choose the product tax group. And it's fulfilled by you or anything that is supported. Under the pricing, you can change the pricing right here. So let's put it at around 500. And make sure that this is on sale. So for example, the sale price is right here. So let's put in a discount of 5%. So we can edit a sale for that. Then here you can put the cost of goods. For example, it costs us around $250. In here, you can see the profit and also the margin. You can also add a custom text build right here. So we can put in something like comfort at your feet, something like that, whatever resonates to you. And also adding product options, like for example, a list of color or anything like that. Or let's put in something like color. Or put in something like black, small, medium, and large like this. After that, click on add. And then as you can see right here, we can actually track our inventory. So for example, we have 100 stocks. The shipping weight is around 0.2 kilograms. And then in here, once you're done with everything, you click on save right here and should be able to save everything that you have been edited on the product page. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to edit individual photo version with website. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.